Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Bosch dishwasher is showing you the error codes, that means that the machine has detected a specific system fault. So in today's video, I will show you how you can diagnose the most common Bosch dishwasher error codes and then how you can fix them properly. So different Bosch codes point to different systems. So one of the most common examples are E15 error, which is relating to leak protection or overflow system. Then you may see the E24 or 25 error, which is relating to drainage or pump issues. Then there is E22 error, which is relating to filter blockage. Afterwards, we have E09 error, which is relating to heating system failure. And then we have the E07 error, which is relating to drying fan problem. So understanding the exact code allows faster and more accurate troubleshooting. Now, many Bosch dishwasher codes are caused by routine blockages. So you need to inspect and clean the main filter, then drain pump and spray arms and drain hoses and the air vents. So regular cleaning can resolve any kind of major error codes without any expensive repairs. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.